Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to be fixing Mexican cornbread. So the first thing I want to do is I've got half a stick of butter in my cast iron skillet, and I'm going to stick it in the oven and put the oven on 350 preheat so the butter melts and it gets all steamy. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Alright, first thing, let's get started. I use a cornmeal mix, a yellow cornmeal. You can white cornmeal mix or yellow cornmeal. And a cornmeal mix already has your flour in it. So if you're just using plain cornmeal, this already has flour. It's self-rising. So if you're using cornmeal, you need to add about a cup and a half of cornmeal and a half a cup of flour. But I'm using 2 cups of cornmeal mix. Okay, sorry about that. I had to delete some stuff off my card. It stopped. It was full. And I said I've got my 2 cups of cornmeal mix. I have how many ounces is this? Lord knows. An 11-ounce of mexicorn. Some people put cream soft corn in it, but I like the mexicorn because it's got the bell peppers and the corn with the corn in it. I need a 1/4 of a cup of corn oil. Oh, please don't fall on the floor. Now, I'm going to add some jalapenos. Now, these are jarred jalapenos, but these are also tame because we don't do much heat around here. So I'm just going to let with all that. Add a couple of tablespoons. A couple, 2 or 3. Now on top, I'm going to be adding the Fiesta blend after it's almost done. But inside of it, I'm going to add, hopefully, about a cup of pepperjack cheese. Like I said, we're not too much into heat, but this will heat it up just enough. Almost a cup. Now I'm adding a cup of buttermilk, and you know I always tell you, shake your buttermilk so it's all the solids get mixed in. I see a lot of people don't do this. Trisha Yearwood's the one that started me doing this. And I forgot something. Imagine that. I need to add 2 eggs. And you also know I've never cracked my eggs directly into the mixture, just in case there's a mishap or something. And we don't like mishaps or surprises. You can also add onion to this. I'm not going to. And you may need more buttermilk because buttermilk is thick. No, I think this will be fine. Alright, I'm going to go get the pan and I'll bring you right back. Okay, my butter is melted and my oven's preheated. This will give you the crispy bottom. Okay, now my oven preheated. My bad. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, but at about 25 minutes, I'm going to come back in and I'll put some cheese on top and let it finish. Alright, we'll bring you back in about 35 minutes when everything's done. Alright, this has got about 10 or 15 minutes left. Oh Lord, I'm going to make a mess. I probably should have put something underneath this. I'm not going to totally cover it because alright, we'll bring you back when it's done. Alright guys, our Mexican cornbread is done. I let it sit for a few minutes. Ooh, that's hot. Look at that, that looks good. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. Leave me a comment, give me a big thumbs up, and share this out on your social media. Alright guys, cornbread's ready. See y'all shortly.